today? Well, we are heading up to Ohio right now. Actually, just crossed into Ohio. We're going to meet up with Matt Williams of Big Dog Light Company, and we're going to spend the weekend with him and throw the dogs in the woods, see if we can't get a hold of a few coon. I got Hyde with me, and then Matt's going to be hunting some of his dogs. We're going to meet up with some of his friends that work with him on his lights and put the dogs in the woods. Hopefully we're going to get some tree dog action, see some meat, and have a lot of fun with a lot of good folks. So it's probably going to be a two-part series. The first part you're watching right now is going to be our first hunt from Friday night, May 11th, and then we'll also do part 2 is going to be our Saturday hunt, May 12th, and I'll probably put them up a few days away from each other, but we're hoping to have a little fun. Let me go ahead and show you what we got going on here. Here we are, guys. We're crossing in the Ohio River right now. We're actually coming into Ohio. Ohio is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful state. Look at all that, guys. Just absolutely beautiful. Ohio, here we are.
Welcome to Ohio.
Thank you. I appreciate it. All right, guys. So next time you see me, we'll be with Matt Williams, and we'll be throwing some dogs in the woods. Appreciate you guys hanging with us. Hope you enjoy it. Hey, guys. Nick Gillen here, Nightlife Kennel. I'm up here in southeastern Ohio with the owner of Big Dog Lights, Matt Williams. He graciously invited me up here. We're going to take some dogs and cut them in the woods here. I got Hyde with me here tonight. Who'd you bring? House is Lucy. House is Lucy. So he's nice enough to invite me up here. He's been showing me some of his cool lights. So he's going to take us and let's cut down on this farm. We're going to put Hyde and Lucy in the woods, and hopefully we'll get on some coon dog action for you guys. I appreciate y'all clicking on. See you in the woods. All right, guys. So we're going to take Hyde and cut him in here solo by himself, and then we'll get Matt's dog out here in a little while. Side's in there 100 yards right now. Just now getting out of the timber. Side's in there 152. Haven't heard nothing out of him, but he's starting to circle up a little bit. Matt says it ain't far in there, and they got some den trees and stuff, so they normally do pretty good here, what they tell me. Side made a big circle in there at 180. He's pushing on now, 210. Got some creeks down there ahead of him, so maybe it won't be long. The Hyde just opened up, struck a little. We walked in, he's 160 from us. See what comes of it. Alright, so I had circling tight, but I ain't heard nothing else out of him yet. You can definitely tell he's in some coon sign there. He's getting a better start. Yeah. You can tell he's on some coon sign. Hyde's locating. He threw one ball.
It's Rigging Squad.
I don't use one. Another ball. He threw up 2 balls on that one. 115 of us.
Come back up the hill on this point.
Yep, a little bit.
I'm settling there from there.
Yep.
There's a whole bunch of grapevines and stuff on that one hill on the other side.
Okay. Generally, the way Hyde is, if he throws 2 balls or 3, he's sitting down with it. 3 is always accurate. If he throws 1, he may leave a tree. Or if he's got pressure and he throws 1, he may be slick.
Sounds like he's pasted now.
He sat down with it. I'll leave it up to you, Matt. We walking in?
Yep, good.
Alright guys, we're gonna walk in here. Short walk, 114 yards. We're no more than 200 from where we're casting. I love this walking. Get in here and check this tree. Matt says there should be one there. He's treed that tree before. Is that a dead tree normally? Or? See, we can't shine this tree, guys. So we shine this tree, we ain't seen nothing, but down below us, on down where Hyde was earlier, we've seen 2 coons and 2 other trees. So I don't know what his issue is. We ain't found one in this tree. I guess there could be one, but I don't think there is. So casting Hyde on, we'll make him look for him. Alright guys, so Hyde fell about 20 or 30 yards short on that one. We've seen one kitten we know in a tree below, the other one we don't know if it's a kitten or not, but in another tree even below that one, so he fell short. Matt said let's load up and go to another spot, so that's what we're doing right now. We just seen a coon cross the road. We've seen 3 or 4 coon on the way over here. There's coon all over the place over here, but I don't know. We're gonna give Hyde benefit of the doubt on that one. Being kittens and a long ride up here today, but we ain't gonna cut him slack on the next one. So we'll see what happens. Alright guys, we're getting ready to take Lucille and Hyde, both cut them in here in this new spot. Should get on something. Alright guys, so we got Hyde and Lucille there. We're gonna come in the woods. You ready? Yep. Cut them. We're about a mile away from where we cast earlier. That's our second shot. They're in there about 380. You see on the map up there, that's where we was hunting at earlier. Matt strikes Lucy. That's 477. Circle check. He's 516 now. 540. Going on in there. I just opened up. 600. $622. You see, guys, ahead of them there's where we was hunting at earlier when hide fell short. Hope you guys can hear that. Circle up in there. 615. Like a track went gold. You guys can't hear that, turn your volume up.
Tree right there. There she is.
Matt's calling Lucille treed.
She made a liar out of me.
Welcome to the club, buddy. We got t-shirts and everything. They say nightlife on them. Liars Club. He's circling heavy in there though. He done that earlier and fell 20 yards short, so we'll see. It's Hyde's 854. Circle around a bunch there. Must not like it. Pushing on a little deeper. Alright guys, dog's about out of here, and so we're going to go ahead and head on in here. They were at 850, 860. We can barely hear them, so we'll get closer. Alright guys, we think we hear them treed in there now. We've walked away, there's 600 of us. They sound treed. Hyde's 180. How far is yours? Hopefully you guys can hear all that. Lucille's giving good, man. Hyde's not sure. Yeah. Actually, Lucille pushed on about 1,000 yards. Slammed this tree. Hyde was a couple hundred yards behind her, then he came in. We're gonna shut it now and see. Alright guys, we got the meat sitting right there.
Let's go to the backyard. Which way's the road?
So Lucille pushed that on about 1,000 yards. Treed it first. Then Hyde came in. So that's our second tree. First accurate coon. We'll grab a dog and head toward the truck. Alright guys, so this is our second drop of the night. Dogs went in there somewhere about 600 yards. Thought they was treed up good. They ended up leaving that tree. Went on. Lucille pushed the track over 1,000 yards, didn't she?
Yeah, almost.
Long, hard track. Hyde was 200-300 yards behind her. And Lucy loaded up on it. Lucille, she loaded up on it. And then Hyde come in there and loaded up, and they had the meat. You can see in the footage there. So we hunted this farm over pretty good. Had a lot of walking. We both got our sweat on pretty good. So a lot of good exercise.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go ahead and at least make one more drop before we call it a night, and maybe we'll get to see another one. So see you guys back at the next drop. All right, guys. This is our third and final drop. I want to drop Hyde by himself. He looks like he's already winded. You ready, Hyde? Go get him. Alright guys, you can see Hyde's in there just 57 yards. Circling around. He acts like he smells something, but ain't heard nothing from him. Really impressed with the Ohio. Seem to have plenty of coon. Hyde's pushed on in there. It's 105 now. I walked in just a little bit, not much. 30-40 yards. He circled out there about 60 from me and then pushed on. There he is.
Right on the creek, ain't it?
Yep. 10 yards off of it. See guys, he was on the creek. Cut across the bend. Creek goes down and makes a hard left. He just kind of cut over the knoll back to it.
It'll all be real deep over here. There's a beaver dam over here, but down here it should get shallower.
He's on our side of it. We're gonna give him some time. He's been acting like an idiot all night. So. Alright, circling off left-handed to that one. He didn't like that tree. Moving on. He ain't moving much, about 50 yards. Hey guys, I want to show you a new light that Matt's developed here. He's actually had this for just a little while. A few people know about it, and it's starting to really catch on because it's a really great light. It's the Alpha Micro light. Basically, it's just a bump cap, and it's got it weighs about 10 ounces. It's got 3 clicks forward on the white, and it's got 2 clicks back on the red. It is not a spotlight, it's just a good floodlight, but Matt's wore this thing all night tonight. He's already found a couple of our coons with this light. It's already pretty super bright. Matt, is it correct? That's basically the same battery and housing that's on the
Alpha.
On the Alpha.
Yeah.
So this right here makes a real good summer light, real lightweight, or if you got a kid, real good for a kid or youth, or you know, if you just need a good utility light for around the shop or something too, you know, have this and throw it in your truck. It lasts a long time. What kind of warranty are you giving on that, Matt?
Got a 2-year warranty and a lifetime on labor.
And 2-year warranty and lifetime on labor. So let me go ahead and take it over here in the field and show you guys how bright this thing is. Alright guys, so we're going to shine this tree right here in front of us. You can't see it right now. But this right here is your red light on the low setting. This is on the high setting. That thing is really super bright. Like I said, we've already found a few coons with this light tonight. And now we're going to roll it forward. We'll get into our white lights. There's your low, your medium, and your high. So this right here, this light's very impressive. And like I said, it only weighs about 10 ounces. It's really good utility light, or a great walking light for a guy that says he's already got a spotlight and he just needs a good walking light in the woods. This right here is exactly what the man needs. You can see how bright it lights up the truck over there. Lights up the ground. You got plenty of light. Floods out really good for walking, see where you're going. What's the price point on this, Matt?
$165 plus $10 shipping.
$165 plus $10 shipping, 2-year warranty, and lifetime on labor. So I'll go ahead and put up a link in the description below if you guys are interested in one of these. You can contact Matt and he'll get one out to you real quick. You won't be disappointed in it. And you guys got a youth out there that's just looking for a good light, affordable light to get into, that they can find coons too. This ain't just a walking light for the kids. They'll be able to find coons like we have all night long. This will work out great for them.
Flooded out, good color, good bright colors.
It's flooded out, good bright colors. You can find coons with it in the summertime and won't be weighing your head down like a lot of lights today. Alright guys, so this was our first night in southeastern Ohio. We had a really good time. We made 2 or 3 drops. First time the hide fell a little short on that coon, but I think he's just going crazy with all the coon you guys got here. Second drop, dog started tree 1, pushed off of it. Lucille, she moved it over 1,000 yards, got treed with the meat, hide backed her up, found that one. And then just cast hide in here just now. And he had like he wanted to load up on the tree, but he never did sit down with it, so it's getting late. We're going to go ahead and call it a night. But we'll go ahead and talk about this micro alpha right here, guys. This is a great light. Like I said, it's got 3 forward white and 2 red. You absolutely love this light. Great summer light, great kids light, lightweight, 10 ounces, 2-year warranty, lifetime on labor, $165 plus shipping. You can't go wrong with this. Definitely recommend you guys get one of these. Also been hunting with the Big Dog Genesis all night tonight. We found coons with it, of course. I mean, it's the brightest light on the market, so can't go wrong with it. I'll put a link in the description below. You can get up with Matt. He'll get you a light sent out to you real quick. I appreciate you guys clicking on. We're going to try hunting again tomorrow night, get you some more tree dog action. Maybe Hyde will figure out what's wrong with him. Right now, I think he's part of can't get right kennels. He's not part of nightlife, but we'll see what he does tomorrow night, and hopefully we'll do better. So I appreciate you guys. In the meantime, tree 1 for me.